Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Travel Basket. Thanks for your continuous support. Today we're going to show you some drone shots we have taken the place we live in Sydney. The name of the place is Punchbowl, and this is the part of the City of Canterbury-Bankstown Council, and this is quite central to many things, and the international airport is not far away, which is about 20 minutes drive from here, and also the Sydney city is about 25 minutes drive. A lot of good beaches are about 15 to 20 minutes drive from Punchbowl. So in coming days we'll try to show you more of Sydney's tourist attraction and the sports facilities. Just let us know your thoughts and stay tuned with Travel Basket. Thank you for watching Travel Basket.